So I was asked the other day, how do I create a custom audience on Facebook using the Pixel for, say, my website, any page on it, or in particular, say, a landing page on OnRamp or any other provider for that matter. So what you can do is just go over on your Facebook here. We're just going to click that down button over on the far right. I'm going to click on Manage Ads. So I'll click on that, and that'll take me into my ad accounts page. And from here, I'm going to click on my company's account. I'll start to load that up. This is the new ads manager, I believe. Now from here, I'll click on the hamburger up here at the top on the left side of the screen, and I'll scroll down to where it says audiences right here. So I'll click on audiences, and that'll load. So there's a number of audiences here that I've already created, some based on video views, some based on website, and that's using the Pixel. So we'll go create audience here in the top left, create a custom audience. And that custom audience will have a number of options here. How do we want to create it? We can either upload a file of emails, etc. that will be used to do it. We could do a website traffic one. App activity offline, and engagement. Engagement is the video one. We're going to go with website traffic, and that uses the Pixel. So now this presumes that you've gotten your Facebook Pixel already, and you've set it up on either the landing page or on the website that you have. If you're using something like WordPress, there's lots of plugins that you can use to install your Pixel. With providers for landing pages like OnRamp, you can usually just paste it into a part of the app. So here it says, okay, include people who meet any of the following criteria. We'll leave that as is because we're just going to use one criteria anyway. We're going to choose all website visitors, and I'm going to go and I'm going to say people who visited a specific web page. Okay. Now I can take that and say, okay, people in the last 30 days. I'll probably extend that a bit. You can go up to 180. I want to say 60 though, just to get people who are relatively frequent or recent. And I'll say the URL contains, or in this case, we'll say contains, or actually should be equals, TPS, and you could cut and paste this in as well. I'm just going to go with the default landing page that we use for my gym on OnRamp, and that'll be it. I'll name my audience. I'll call it CrossFit 782 landing. Clean that up a bit. Landing page visitors. Now this will be anybody who not only hits landing page but also fills it out. I could also then go into that and exclude people who maybe landed on the thank you page, but just for brevity, we'll leave it at this today. Okay. From there, I just click Create Audience. Now, what will happen is that when the audience was created, Facebook will start populating that with anybody who lands on our site on that particular page, and we'll put them in that audience. I can then use that audience to direct any kind of a Facebook retargeting campaign towards, say, testimonials or anything like that. So I hope that's helpful. We found it really, really successful on our end to build these audiences up. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. Thanks.